top 5. They'll be adorned in amazing attire curated by Butterfly Clothing and Accessories. So let's take a look at this exclusive evening wear presentation, and then we shall proceed with the personality interview round. To begin with, we welcome up on stage our top 5. I think it's time to welcome on stage our finalists for this very important round. This is the pivotal round wherein their performance will change the journey, the entire history of Sunsilk Serum Mega Miss Northeast. Let's welcome on stage the finalist Ridhamaya Pasa from Meghalaya. The next top 5, Dipti Bosumatari from Assam. As you rightly know, Bubbly Peshwakarma from Arunachal Pradesh. Into the top 5 league, Deepshikha Deka from Assam. And last but not the least, Monica Konjangmam from Manipur. Well, congratulations to the lovely finalists. Many, many congratulations. I'm sure you are elated, thrilled, and at cloud 9 right now, but equally nervous. However, you have definitely showcased your talent, poise, and grace throughout this competition, and therefore they are here as a finalist on the set of the 20th edition of Sunsilk Serum Mega Miss Northeast. And now, as we move on to the Q&A session, you know, dear audience, as the leading ladies of your own life story, especially to the ladies, you are always under the spotlight, embracing new roles, taking up new challenges, making your own moments to shine. While your journeys may differ, it's your unwavering perseverance that guides you through these plots of twists and turns and challenges, empowering you to shine brighter than ever before. So tonight, you may be asked to share with you one such moment that is your Sunsilk Shine moment in your life. The contestants. And now, over to the jury member. I would request one by one. So, may I request you to take the privilege? Ridhamaya Pasa from Meghalaya, step forward, please. One of the jury member, please ask.
Hi, Ridhamaya. Hello. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Ridhamaya. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Wonderful. Okay, my question is very simple. Can you share your shining moment from your life where with your strength and aura, you became the shining star of your story? Should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
All right. I want to say, can you share your shining moment from your life where with your strength and aura, you became the shining star of your story?
Thank you so much, sir, for the question. Standing here tonight, I feel like I'm already shine, being one of the finalists from Joy. I started modeling since when I was around 14 years of age, and I have faced so many times in life, but I have never given up in life. These failures have actually given me strength and more reasons to work even harder to reach my goal that I have always set for myself. I always motivate myself because I strongly believe that what comes from within, it will always stay with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Best of luck. Moving on, let's welcome on stage Dipti Bosumatari from Assam. All the best, Dipti.
Hi, Dipti.
Hello, sir.
Hope you're having a wonderful time backstage.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll repeat the question. I hope it is, can you share your shining moment from your life where with your strength and aura you became the shining star of your story?
Thank you very much for the question, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Dipti Basumutari, proudly representing my BTR Assam in this prestigious beauty pageant, Miss NorthEast. I believe sometimes simply participating in a beauty pageant or winning a contest can change your life. But what makes you different or what makes are important are your view and your opinion to the world. Therefore, I think I couldn't make last year. So I come back holding more compassion, more patience, and more integrity this year. What makes me more shine is I come back and tonight I'm standing on this prestigious beauty pageant and I'm proudly representing my Kokrajhar BTR Assam in Mega Miss NorthEast. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All the best. All the best. Well, step ahead, finalist Bubbly Bishwakarma from Arunachal Pradesh.
Hi, Bubbly.
Hello.
Looking lovely.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, a little bit.
Obvious. Okay, my question to you is, can you share your shining moment from your life where with your strength and aura you became the shining star of your story?
Well, thank you for the question, ma'am. I'm Bubbly Bishwakarma and I'm proudly representing my beautiful state, Arunachal Pradesh. Well, my shining aura is like, my mother had a dream and she didn't complete it, and I completed when I was at the age of 15. I have stayed at the runway shows just for my mom, and I have fulfilled it, and my mom is very happy for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's welcome on stage Deepshikha Deka from Assam. All the best, Deepshikha.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Dipsika.
Hello, sir.
You're looking fabulous.
Thank you so much.
All right, I'll just repeat the question that has been asked.
Yeah.
Let me repeat it for you. Okay, can you say your signing moment from your life where, with your strength or aura, you became the shining star of the story?
Well, I consider my parents as the epitome of my life. And when they are proud, I think that's the moment when I feel like I'm shining. So every time I do something good for our society, I think I make my parents proud and I make myself shine. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Well, the audience, let's give it up for Monica Konjangbam from Manipur. All the best.
Thank you so much, Naveed.
Hello, Monica.
Very good evening, ma'am.
You look angelic, stunning.
Same to you, ma'am.
So, your question, I think you understood very well right now. Okay? So, you have to share a shining moment from your life where, with your strength and aura, you became the shining star of your story.
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. If I have to share a moment from my life where I felt like a shining star, that would be the moment I came out of that zone, of that abyss of darkness, where I felt like I was gonna be something else. But no, I overcame those things. Constantly being body shamed, I was made to feel that I was less than deserving. But today, here I am, shining. And I guess this is my shining moment. I take this as my shining moment. And to everyone who is feeling left out, I'm here as an example for all of you that you can achieve whatever you dream and whatever you wish for. Go for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Wishing you all the luck. Neha Borwa from Assam. I really loved it when you said, oh my God, and then Assam. Okay, oh my God, let's call upon for the final time our reigning winner, Sarangtam Nirupama Devi from Manipur. Folks, you really need to shout a huge round of applause to our reigning winners. And let's now welcome our top 5 of this edition, our finalists of this edition. Once again, congratulations to the finalists, and let us now welcome on stage the designer, Stanislav Marvin and Rishan Pariat, the founder and the co-founder respectively of Butterfly Clothing and Accessories, a renowned brand, a Shillong-based brand, and in the process to expand in other northeastern states. Mr. Stanislav Marvin, the founder, and Mr. Rishan Pariat, the co-founder. Butterfly Clothing and Accessories is the fastest growing and the leading brand in Shillong, and also have received the recognition nationwide and have won numerous awards and accolades. Welcome them on stage. Thank you, Marvin. Thank you, Rishan, both of you. Thank you so very much. And you know, our girls are absolutely looking stunning. The results certainly aren't with me. It's with the man who ideates, curates, designs, directs the show, the master, the anchor, the captain of the ship. Please welcome on stage Mr. Abhijit Sinha as the founder and driving force behind this spectacular event. And Mr. Abhijit Sinha has steered us through 20 successful editions. His vision, dedication, and passion have made this event a beacon of beauty and passion. And it's also a grace in the entire Northeast. Let's give him a thunderous round of applause to the man, Mr. Abhijit Sinha.
And of course, one of this brilliant partner and a sponsor, I must tell you can see this here, the beautiful collection done by Butterfly, the clothing and accessories. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a loud shout out for all this beautiful collection and these ladies here? To do the honor, I would like to invite on stage the newly crowned, awarded winners of Mega Mr. Northeast. Can I have all my boys on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, Martin, please come, top model of Universe India. Gorish Singh, can I have you on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, Mega Mr. Northeast. And Krishna, can I have you on stage? Mega Mr. Northeast. Sunsilk Serum. Mega Miss Northeast 28th edition. One of the co-winner is Manipur Monica Kongjambam. The next co-winner of Sunsilk Serum Mega Miss Northeast 28th edition is Assam Dipti Basumatari. Mega Miss Northeast 20th edition is Meghalaya. Miss Continental World this year in Thailand will be represented by Manipur Monica. And the lady who will be representing India and the top model of universe in Turkey is Meghalaya.
Congratulations to the newly crowned winner of Sunsilk Serum Mega Mesh Northeast, the 20th edition. Can we have a round of applause one last time, ladies and gentlemen? Congratulations. And now, you are loaded with hampers and offers and oh my God, what not. Okay, to begin with, rupees 30,000 cash prize by Flamingo the Cafe, Komarkochi. May I request the gracious presence of Mr. Jiten Singh on stage to give away the prize. the cash prize, rupees 30,000 from Flamingo, the cafe, which is at Komarkoche in Sonapur. And your prize is coming. The winner also receive hampers worth rupees 60,000 by Savera Exclusive. Hold on, you have more prizes. Fragrance worth rupees 75,000 by HSMM Fragrance. Achieve may I... Well, the newly crowned winners, this is not yet. You have one more hamper to go. A hamper from Illumis Aesthetic Clinic, wherein you receive services and pampering worth rupees 10,000 along with some goodies and products. That's it, and yes, thank you so much for being such a wonderful support, and you've been quite cooperative, and thank you so very much for your presence. And we veil the curtain down and see you in the next edition. Thank you, take care, bye-bye, good night.